Emergencies can occur anywhere and at any time. In the UK, the emergency services are prepared to respond to a multitude of crises, ensuring the safety of its citizens. While 999 is the most recognised and widely used emergency phone number, there are several other alternative numbers which serve different needs and are equally as important. Just like 999, 112 is a free-to-call emergency telephone number in the UK. It's part of the European Emergency Number Association and can be dialed from any member state of the EU to reach the emergency services, making it particularly useful for travellers. It's also a standard emergency number in many countries outside the EU, meaning that people can still dial 112 in an emergency situation even if they don't know their local emergency number. The 101 number is a non-emergency number for the police. It's designed to help reduce the pressure on the 999 system by providing an alternative number for situations that don't require an immediate emergency response. For example, if you want to report a minor traffic collision, give the police information about crime in your area, or speak to them about a general inquiry, 101 is the number to call. The NHS 111 is a free-to-call single non-emergency number medical helpline operating in England, Scotland and parts of Wales. You should call this number if you urgently need medical help or advice, but it's not life-threatening. Trained advisors who are supported by healthcare professionals handle calls, and they can provide medical advice, arrange for you to see a doctor or other healthcare professional, or send an ambulance if they think it's necessary. Launched in 2016, 105 is a national number that people can call to report or get information about power cuts in their local area. It's a free service and it's available for people in England, Scotland and Wales. You can call this number regardless of who you purchase your electricity from. 123. This is an emergency phone number for gas leaks or gas emergencies. It's operated by National Gas Emergency Service. Call this number immediately if you smell gas or you're worried about gas safety or suspect there's been a gas leak. 0800 40 50 40. The British Transport Police use this number to handle non-emergency incidents on the railway. You can also text them on 61016. 116 123. This number connects to the Samaritans, a registered charity aimed at providing emotional support to anyone in emotional distress, struggling to cope, or at the risk of suicide throughout the United Kingdom and Ireland. In conclusion, it's always essential to dial the correct number in a crisis situation to ensure you get the help you need. By calling the right number, you help make sure that the 999 number remains available for when it's most needed.